Welcome back, dear children. Welcome to another session of our English class. Today we are going to discuss about our grammar lesson. Children, we all know that grammar is the study of words and sentences. It is the study of different kinds of words and how they come together to make sentences. Words are divided into different kinds of groups according to their use in a sentence. In grammar, there are 8 different kinds of word groups. They are called parts of speech, and we need all of them for reading, writing, and speaking. Children, here we have one lesson named Parts of Speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. First one is noun. A noun names a person, place, thing, or animal. Examples: man, jungle, tree, giraffe. For example, John is absent. Second one, New Delhi is the capital of India. Here, John is the name of a person. So, here John is a noun. In second sentence, New Delhi is the capital of India. Here, New Delhi and India are the names of places. So, here New Delhi and India are the nouns. Next one, pronoun. Pronoun takes the place of a noun. I repeat, a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Examples: he, she, it, I, you, we, they. For example, John is absent because he is ill. Here, John is a noun. Here, he is the word used in place of this noun. Here, he is a pronoun. Next example, the boys are going to the playground. They are ready to play a match. Here, boys is a noun. They is the word used in place of this noun. Here, they is a pronoun. Next parts of speech is adjective. Adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Examples: new, fat, pretty, old, blue, etc. For example, he is a brave boy. Here, the word brave is an adjective. It qualifies the pronoun he. Now, let's read the second sentence. There are 20 boys in this class. Here, the word 20 is an adjective. It qualifies a noun, boys. Next parts of speech is verb. Verb expresses action or a state of being. Examples: run, fly, work, show, is, etc. Now read these examples. The girl wrote a letter to her cousin. Here, wrote is a verb. And the second sentence, Calcutta is a big town. Here, is a verb. Next one, adverb. Adverb describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Examples: quickly, gently, extremely, carefully, well. For example, it is extremely hot today. Here, the word extremely modifies the adjective hot, so it is an adverb. Next example, he ran quickly. Here, the word quickly modifies the verb ran, so it is an adverb. Preposition. Preposition establishes a relationship between the noun and the rest of sentence. Examples: in, on, at, about, with, over, etc. Examples: there is a cow in the field. Next one, the book is on the table. Here, in and on are prepositions. Next parts of speech is conjunction. Conjunction connects words, phrases, and clauses. For example, two and two make four. Second one, I ran fast but missed the train. Here, and but are conjunctions. Last one, interjection. Interjection expresses surprise or other emotions. Examples: oh, wow, oops, hey. Look at these sentences. Oh, what a horrible sight. Alas, she has lost everything. These are the examples of interjection. Here, oh, alas are the interjections. Now, let's summarize what we learned today. Today we discussed about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in the English grammar. We use the different parts of speech while writing in and speaking English. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Okay children, this is the time to say goodbye. I hope you all understood today's class. Take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.